Hi and welcome back. Today I just want to do a quick video update on AMC before the market opens. But before I continue on, I just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for educational entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon Discord page where I'm trying to find like-minded people to talk about stocks, cryptocurrencies, options, and just try to find the next hottest stock. That is something you guys are interested in. Check out my link down below. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. AMC closed at 11.16 and it is now trading at 12.22. Pre-markets, it gapped all the way up this morning and even went to a high of 12.41. I do believe we're going to break 12.41 again and possibly even close at $13 today or higher. I cannot stress this enough that AMC is definitely a stock that you guys want to be getting into just because they do have a lot of growth potential. They have a lot of people looking at the stock. There's a lot of people still holding onto the stock. Institutions are buying AMC. The stock is up because Los Angeles County is going to reopen their locations. They're opening up 2 locations today, and it plans to open the remaining 23 theaters in Los Angeles and hopes to have all 56 California locations open depending on local approvals. This is huge news considering Los Angeles County has the most movie theaters. They also reported their fourth quarter earnings report. So let's just take a quick look at that. AMC reported a loss of $946.1 million for the fourth quarter, bringing its annual loss for 2020 to $4.59 billion. On a per-share basis, the losses amounted to 6.21 for the last quarter of the year and 39.15 for the year, dramatically worse than in 2019. The company generated $162.5 million in revenue to close out 2020 and $1.24 billion for the year, off 89% and 77% year over year. So AMC's adjusted loss for the latest quarter was better than expectations from analysts, while revenue was ahead of the consensus estimate. The company said in response to state and local government mandates related to domestic resurgence of COVID-19, many of AMC's 467 reopened U.S. theaters suspended operations. But New York just recently opened their theaters up. And then I have good news I'm going to show you in just a bit. And then they said this year, the Leawood, Kansas-based company expects better results with vaccines getting distributed and new movies slated for release in the coming months. The CEO also stated, "We have reason to be optimistic about AMC's ability to get to the other side of this pandemic." So they are no longer going to declare bankruptcy as well. They were able to raise enough capital last year. They have $1 billion in cash on hand. Once all movie theaters does open up, this stock can easily reach 15 or higher. More people are going to go to movie theaters because they are tired of being cooped up at home all day watching Netflix. I know I am. Still not too late. I'm currently holding on to 800 shares. I'm going to buy more as time goes on. So the CEO stated, "Our focus is no longer on survival, but now has turned instead to directing a surge in movie-going and on the recovery of AMC." AMC said it expects its sales to be boosted in the coming months as films such as Walt Disney Company's Black Widow, Top Gun, Godzilla vs. Kong hit its screen. About 90% of the company's U.S. theaters are now open. Take a look at this news that just came out. AMC said Friday it can fund operation and satisfy its obligations through at least March 31, 2022 if attendance levels continue to significantly grow. AMC said in a SEC filing that its assumptions require significant increases in attendance levels beginning in the third quarter, ultimately reaching 90% of pre-COVID-19 attendance levels by the fourth quarter. Check back in the afternoon to see how well the stock does. If you got this far, let me know if you also think it's going to hit 13 or above today. And also do consider joining the Patreon group Just want to be able to create a community where I can share ideas and help each other grow our portfolios. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier, and I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Weibo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Weibo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.